Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a broccoli and mushroom soup. I've been making this lately and it's just the best soup. I've been loving it, so I thought I would share it with you. And I've written a blog post which I will leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and some ideas for adaptations too, so you can check that out. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos and comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. So I have got a broccoli over here. You can use as much or as little broccoli as you want. I'll probably use about half the head of broccoli. I'm going to use all of these mushrooms, and I've got garlic and onion too, and at the end we'll add some creamy ingredients too to make a lovely creamy soup. I've got coconut oil in a saucepan, and I've added in onion and garlic, and I'm just going to let it soften while I chop up the other veggies. Happy with how lovely and golden the onion and garlic are looking. I've added in more coconut oil, and then we'll add in the broccoli too and give it a toss through. And I've added a bit more coconut oil. I've added salt. You can add salt, pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste. And next I'll chop up and add in the mushrooms. So now I'll add the mushrooms all in and give them a toss through. And just pour over water to cover. You can add stock if you want, but I'm quite happy just all those flavors cooking away, and I will just be adding cream and butter once it's cooked. So yeah, no stock for me, just water. And I'm just gonna let this cook until the broccoli and mushrooms are easily blendable. The soup's been gently bubbling away for about 15-20 minutes. It's now all soft and I'm going to blend it. So I've taken the soup off the heat and I'm going to pour in some cream to make it lovely and creamy. I don't measure, I just pour. If you want to measure it, if you're counting your macros, calories, go ahead and do that. But I just pour in as much as I think is right. And I'm going to add in some cubed butter too to make it just extra creamy. That's the secret to creamy soups. When I went recently to a restaurant here in Ireland and asked, how was the soup so creamy and beautiful? And they said plenty of butter and cream. So that is what I do, and I'm going to blend it in now. That looks kind of perfect. Now I would just suggest having a little taste, seeing if you want to add more cream, more butter, more salt, anything to adjust the seasonings. Otherwise just serve it up. So I had a taste of my soup and it's just absolutely beautiful. Those flavors work so well together. And I'm just going to serve up a portion for my lovely meal. And that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this lovely soup a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.